Hi everyone. I'm responding to a question someone posted on the Seeburg video about how I put in the pilaster plastics in the front. It's kind of hard to see, and I did it a long time ago, but after looking at this, I'll try to maybe I can zoom in a little bit here. There we go. So this piece of wood here is really what holds in the side of the plastic on the right side, and there's probably another one over on the left side as well, on the other side. So I just removed this piece, the slat of wood here, and the other one on the other side here, and then the top of the plastic went above. I was able to get it up maybe about a half an inch or so, or an inch, pushed up to the top, and then I let it slide back into the bottom here, and it just sits on the lip right here all around, and then this wood slat just screws right into the side to hold it in, and that's all I had to do with it, really. I probably took out, I know I had to take it out, I took out the this light bar. The whole assembly comes right out with a couple of screws, if I remember correctly, and I just took this whole light assembly out, and it was plenty of room to get in there to put the plastic in. And it's the same thing on the other side here, no different. So hopefully this helps you. And just by coincidence, I was playing the jukebox before, and it stopped taking coin, so I had to open this up anyway to pull out the slug rejector here, which I still have to do. But other than that, that's it. If there's anything else I can help you with, just let me know. Thanks, bye.